Hello, good morning student. Welcome here in this YouTube channel. From last video we are discussing about how to write questions and answers. Means this time you will get 3 marks question answer, 2 marks question answer. So that question answers just demand a lot of stuff or a lot of content. So and this type of question answers are first time for you, so it will be little bit difficult for you too, but no need to worry about that, as I am teaching you how to write those question answer. In last section or in this last section of the same topic, we discussed how to write in poetry to this kind of answers. Today we'll start how to write 3 marks or 2 marks question answer if those question answers are from prose section. Prose section means unit, not poetry. So today I'll choose that Bipin Babu's Lapse of Memory, and I'll give you example, means how to write 3 marks question answer and 2 marks question answer if it will be asked there. So you have to concentrate in this video because this will be useful to you in 9th standard as well as in 10th standard too. So 3 paragraphs are must, means you have to write 3 paragraphs in question answer, that we discussed earlier. See, just like the prose section, here you also have to write 3 paragraphs. Introduction, body content and conclusion. Uh, 3 to 4 line in introduction, five to 6 lines in body para, and 3 to 4 lines in conclusion. So this is the thing you have to write in your prose section question and answer. Now we'll take one question and I'll teach you that how to go for 3 marks in that kind of question answer. Okay. See, suppose it is asked that write a character sketch of Bipin Babu or write about Bipin Babu. Question is, and suppose it is asked in 3 marks. So how to start this and how to write this? This is from unit number 4. Satyajit Ray has written this unit. So first we'll write that. So our introduction paragraph is Student, you just note down this. Well, it is already given, so no need to note down. So I just need more space. The Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory has been written by Satyajit Ray. So this could be your first line. Means who has written that prose? That could be your first line. The writer has penned the character of very cleverly. In this unit, our main character that is Bipin Chaudhary has habit of forgetting particular things or events. Bipin Babu is a very hardworking and honest fellow. See students, so this is our introduction. Well, question is you have to write about Bipin Babu. So your introduction must be related to your body para. It means we have to write only about Bipin Babu in these questions answered. So this is the answer and this is the introductory paragraph. Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory has been written by Satyajit Ray. The writer has penned the character of Bipin Babu very cleverly. In this unit, our main character, that is Bipin Chaudhary, has habit of forgetting particular things or events. Bipin Babu is a very hardworking and an honest fellow. So this is introductory paragraph. You please note down this. Okay, now second paragraph, that is body para of the question. So in what to write in body para? So we have to write only about Bipin Babu as it is. Question is write about Bipin Babu. So we'll take some of the information from book. Okay. So we'll write that Bipin Babu lived alone, was not a good mixture and had a few friends. Okay. Second paragraph. He was not a good mixture. Just a minute, student. So here we have written that Bipin Babu lived alone. He was not a good mixture. Means he didn't have any kind of many friends. We can say that. Second is he didn't like to spend time in idle chat. It means gossip. He was very dedicated to his job. After that, we'll take some information about Bipin Babu from page number 64, part 3. He was a tireless worker. He had a very good reputation in his job place. Now see student, this is about Bipin Babu. We have to write about his character. So this information is for Bipin Babu. So this is second para, that is body para. Now conclusion. So conclusion should be, this is third paragraph. In short, we can say that Bipin Babu was very confused when he came to know about his lapse of memory. The character of him was funny confused and funny sometimes. So this is the conclusion of the paragraph. This way you can write conclusion as well as body para and introduction. Please you note down this, students. Now another question. Now this question is from unit number 2, the tsunami, and our question is, why did Tili's family come to Thailand? So first we'll write introductory paragraph, after that we'll write answer of this question. Okay. Introductory paragraph. The tsunami unit shows the destructions caused by the natural calamity. It describes the it describes the effects of tsunami on in people's lives. How tsunami is destructive is described in this unit. So this is the first paragraph of this question. The tsunami unit shows the destruction caused by the natural calamity. It describes the effects of the tsunami in people's lives. How the tsunami is destructive is described in this unit. This is introductory paragraph. This paragraph you can write for any question asked from this unit. So this you can consider as a common paragraph. Okay. Now moving to body para, and our question is, why did Tilley's family come to Thailand? So as you remember students, Tilley's family came to Thailand for celebrating Christmas. So that will be the answer. The Smith family came from Southeast England at a beach resort in southern Thailand. Okay, so this is the first line. Now why did they come? So Tilley family came to celebrate Christmas. They wanted to spend a happy time together. Still one line is remain. You just note down this. After that I'll complete this question's answer. This is from Unit 2. Okay, so now we'll write about Tilley family. Last line of the second paragraph, that is, Tilley Smith was a 10 years school girl. You have to continue from second paragraph. Her sister was 7 years old. And their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. So this is second paragraph, or we can say body paragraph. Now conclusion part. So in conclusion you can write that to conclude this question, we can say that the Smith family wanted to enjoy the festival time together, so they came to that beach. Okay, so this is the complete answer of number 1. This, why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? So this way you can write 3 marks answer as well as 2 marks answer, student. Please you note down this. Okay, this is for today's video. Now I'll give you homework, and this homework is from unit number 1. You have to write one question's answer like this in 3 paragraphs. Who had written the letter to whom and when? Remember, see, 3 paragraphs you have to write for this question. This is from unit number 1. Who had written the letter to whom and when? Okay, so I'll check your homework in the group, and please keep posting your homework, students, and have this habit of writing 3 paragraphs in answer. This will be useful to you in 9th standard as well as in 10th standard. Please take care. Bye. Thank you.
You